Are you spending so much hours on social media but you're not getting the desired results you wanted? Well, you are not alone on this. So that is why I'm here to tell you what you're not doing right and how to fix it. But here is the harsh truth. You are making the same mistakes over and over again and still expect to see a different result. That's not possible. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exact step by step on how you can turn your followers into dollars. Let's dive in. But first, let me break it down so that you understand the mistakes you are making. Number one problem is that you don't have a niche. Yes, this is the most common mistakes a lot of content creators do. Now, you want to appeal everybody by posting randomly, posting anything you see just because you see anything you want to post. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to discover your niche, discover what you can do. All right, now create videos that resonate with your audience, because every content creator out there have their own specific audience. So you have to discover your niche, create videos around your niche so that you can appeal to your audience alone. Whether it's fitness, fashion, comedy, sports, whatsoever niche you know you can handle very well, just go ahead, own it, and create good and valuable content. From there, you start seeing results. Number two, inconsistent posting. Why are you posting like a ghost? Yeah, so just let's start from there. Why are you posting like a ghost? This week you are everywhere, the upper week you are nowhere to be found. No, it doesn't work like that. Social media rewards consistency. So if you're not ready to be consistent, if you are not showing up every day, don't expect your audience to show up for you. It's not possible. That's how social media is. So you have to create a posting schedule and be ready to stick with it. All right. Problem number three, you are selling too much. You are always selling. This one is huge. Yes. See, nobody wants to be sold to every time. You have to learn to focus on providing value to your followers. All right, take out time, create valuable content. You can talk about tutorials, talk about how to do one or two things. Take out time, create valuable content that will help your followers in one way or the other. Now, let me tell you the truth. Once your followers trust you, the sales will come automatically. All right, they will buy from you once they can trust you. So you have to earn their trust first, and the sales will follow. Problem number four, very, very important, ignoring engagement. Well, I see a lot of content creators ignoring comments. They even go ahead as ignoring DMs. Why are you ignoring people's comments? Why are you ignoring your followers' comments? Why are you treating social media like one random street stuff like that and expect it to pay you? That's not possible. Listen to me. Your audience wants to connect with you, so you have to connect with them back. Go to your DM, go and respond to your messages, go and respond to their comments, and build a connection with your followers. That's actually what they want. And you know the funny thing? That is why it's called social media. It is called social media for a reason. Social media, you have to be social. So you have to communicate with your audience. So go and respond to those comments, respond to those DMs, and see how your engagement will skyrocket. Problem number five, you don't leverage on trends and features. Yes, see, social media was created for trend. In fact, a lot of platforms, they like it when you use trends and new features. Okay, they will help your content, they will help your video go viral. A lot of content creators jump on trends. Do you think they don't know what they are doing? Okay, let me use an example. This fish pie guy, this guy that was trending then, fish pie. Oh, so you could see a lot of content creators jumping into that trend. Do you think they didn't know what they were doing? They were actually on that trend, and that trend was actually pushing their content up. It was pushing them to the brim light, because all this platform algorithm, they want something that is trending, and they will reward you for making it trend. All right? Does all this sounds familiar? All these problems I just listed now, I know you have been going through them in one way or the other, knowingly or unknowingly. Well, good news, they are all fixable. What you have to do from now henceforth is follow these steps I just listed out and see how your video is going to skyrocket. So are you ready to make these changes? Let me know on the comment section. But here's the thing, social media is not just a platform, it is an opportunity. So you have to use it to your advantage. All right? So till I come your way next time, peace and love.